Hey and welcome to ACA, Anonymous Car Addicts. Welcome. Welcome to ACA, Anonymous Car Addicts. Welcome, Kevin.
Thank you. Thank you.
How is it going?
Last time I fell back to the same path as I used to be on. Was just I think 2 weeks ago when I bought a set of side skirts.
Okay, welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the video. But in all honesty, we actually have a car addiction. But that's for another time. Today we're gonna work on the C70 and we're gonna finish the interior.
Yeah, baby!
So yeah, what are we gonna? Where are we going to start?
Door sides.
Door panels.
Door panels.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna start with the door panels, and you have to follow along.
Anton, why do we say that you should play hockey instead?
Because, well, this time, it was like 5 years ago I took this off, and I can't find the clips for bolting this back. So I have to get new ones at work. And I was even that good that I labeled every single fucking screw, so I know that this one could be everywhere on the car, but this one is for the steering wheel, and this fucking nut is for the windshield wipers, but I can't find the door clips. So yeah, we're going to mount the dashboard instead, because I think I have stuff for that. I hope I have stuff for that.
Well, I see the dash.
Well, that's a...
I found the dash. Half job already done.
Yeah. And it's a small potato. It's a small potato.
Just wait. It will turn
fuck, oh, I jinxed it. Damn it. I jinxed it. Small potato, small potato, small potato.
I see.
If you can't lube it up, smash it with a hammer. Or a hand, or... yeah.
That's illegal.
Okay, lube. If you can't get what you need, you either have lube or you take violent to it. And we're talking only cars, not anything else.
Psst, it's violence. Not violent.
Oh, I'm violent.
Cliché.
Inserted the TikTok. Well.
Anton, do you order your decals from Wish?
No, I don't.
I don't.
I know someone who does.
I don't.
No. We can get hate for that. Don't put that in the video. Well, you are in the group, but...
Yes. Hello everyone, I order my decals from Wish. I'm sponsored by Wish, wish.com.
Okay, yes. So you see on that side?
Yeah?
Yeah, we have the TikTok, so people understand.
Yeah, yeah.
The dash are in. Small potato. That's a small potato. That's a big potato.
VIP.
Yeah, I'm just gonna mount the driver side so you can sit there and like I'm the boss. Yeah. Limo style, low life.
Limo style coupe. Coupe.
And like you have one there. You actually sit very comfortable in the back seat.
Yeah.
You actually do. You were surprised. This car is like 20 years older than your Beamer, and you are sitting better here than you do in the Beamer. It hurts to say, but it's true.
Yeah. I mean, it's just like the Volvo seats are like they're tilted up here, and I know that the BMW seats are there as well, but it's not as much. And then they're also much more softer.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, we should sit here, and you should put the camera there, and we're gonna have a TV show with breaking news. How does it? Wait, I'm gonna fix a real mic. So, how does it feel to be a car addict? It's good. Well, aren't you ACA? And the last A means anonymous.
Well, yeah.
Well, the problem is you are in the news now, so you're not anonymous. Anonymous longer.
You're not anonymous longer.
Well, I'm more static than you right now because you don't drive any bumpy cars. You just drive normal height cars. Can you? Yes. I don't want to talk anymore. I'm just gonna hear.
That was everything for today's show. Thank you for watching Kevin's new show.
And see you again next time.
Small potatoes turn into big potatoes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm all fuck. And I don't have a fishbone. Damn it. Ta-da! So, well, back with this.
Progress!
Yeah. You know what I just realized?
No.
You know how people are saying don't break hearts, break car parts instead, or break car parts instead of hearts and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think we should make something like break hockey clubs instead of breaking car parts or stuff like that, because yeah, break hockey clubs or break a leg instead, because it's more fun.
Sad boy.
Sad boy of the day.
Hello, Claes-Göran.
Hello! Hello, buddy.
How is it going on the other side?
It's not going so great. It's big potatoes over here.
It's a big potato.
Yes.
So how many times have you mount and remount the
This
glove box?
fourth?
Time. Yeah, so meanwhile I'm almost done here. It's I need some cables for the radio, and oh well, I'm not done there, but I have the I have the A-pillar and the steering wheel and the plastic around the steering wheel and the dash, and so I'm almost ready to drive it.
Well, look at that. Claes-Göran.
Claes-Göran. It's almost done.
And I haven't been mounting B-pillar, so it's coming together. I only need to fix the clips for the door, and
Can I get the screwdriver? So I can...
so clips for the door, cable for the radio. I think I have another frame around, and I think I actually have everything else.
I did a better job than mechanic.
Well,
You know that you're a great mechanic when you're done with the work and you have more screws over.
so you're better than the
I'm better than
engineering guy at Volvo.
Yeah.
Because you didn't need that many screws that they did.
Exactly. Fucking weird.
Well, if we take it back 2 videos, when we
The BMW front.
yeah, exactly, because the bumper on the BMW is like a fuck ton of bolts.
I think it was 25 volts in total. Yeah.
Yeah, just from.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how many did you spare?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this one.
Oh wait, I know why you have too many.
Because it's double.
Yeah, we have double.
Yeah, exactly. So
Yeah, because
we actually have everything in.
I actually have another glove box there.
Exactly.
So that explains why you have too many.
Yes. Do you want me to throw these away or should we save them?
Well, that's a hard question.
Throw away?
Wait. Just stand.
Throw away?
Just stand still. Fast 2 epa-viggar. Wow! You can throw them away.
Up there. Up there.
Up there.
So Anton is just mounting the rear view mirror with this compartment up here with the lights and everything, and this is finished installed, and I've also installed this plastic and the handle, and I think Anton kind of have mounted the seat belt. No?
Yeah,
A little bit?
yeah, because this one is fastened in the
In the chair.
yeah,
Yeah.
in the seats.
Yeah. So I don't think, like, when we're done with this, I think that we're basically done to insert the chairs as well.
No, well,
No?
we have the lists.
Oh yeah, we have the lists here as well. The door sides will have to wait a little until Anton find the screws.
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
But yeah, the lists here, but they're fast.
It's small potato.
It's small potato.
Well,
hopefully.
every time you say small potato, it's not.
It's not small potato.
It's only going bad. So yeah, the problem was that the roof itself wasn't center, so it was like off, and then the whole thing was, the hole for the mirror was like touching the mirror, and so yeah. Finally, up, Kevin mounted the B pillars, A pillars, and now mounting the sun
Sunshield, maybe? Sunshield?
Nah.
I don't know.
The flap you take down because you get sun in your eyes. And actually another news for the car is that I have ordered a windshield banner, and I haven't ordered any 3-piece wheels because I actually don't have money for it right now. And Kevin,
Yeah.
should we make another video why I don't have money?
Fuck yes.
Okay, well, yeah. So I don't have money to buy wheels, sadly, but that's how it is. Yeah, so I'm actually thinking of putting the SSR MSI1 wheels on, but I'm not sure yet if I should do that, or what do you think I should do? Fuck what Kevin thinks. What do you think I should do? Should I space out the Ocean Race rims, or should I polish up the SSR rims and put it on the car? Comment down below what you think.
So we're done for today. We are? Yes?
Yeah, and we actually got something done
Yeah.
for once.
Should we explain everything that we've done, or you think they've seen enough?
Well,
I think you've seen enough.
They have seen it all. Because why would you watch the video if you don't?
True.
That was just stupid.
Well, we definitely need to sort this out and put that back the tools. And what we're gonna do next time, or what do we have left?
We have the seats, some lists, the door panels, windshield wipers, and the stuff around that. And we have to turn the key.
Oh yes.
So that's, yeah, I just think we need to charge the battery, and it's going to start. We have a panel over the pedals as well.
Yes.
And yeah. So that's for the next time. But next time you're not gonna see the C70. Next time you're gonna see some behind the scenes of when we were out with Benjamin shooting for an edit. So that's a special one. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that. Like the video, and Kevin,
Enjoy life.
see you next time.